What's up, YouTube? I'm out on a job today. I'm gonna take you around. There's actually 3 of them, so I'm gonna walk you around, show you what we do. So we got this pile of brush customer pulled out of the back. We're cutting this up and putting it in our dump truck. We put the limestone here, stack these over here. So along here we're gonna do river rock and coal met. It's like this edging, steel edging. It's gonna go along here. We put these beds in. All these plants are going in here. Topsoil in the beds. We clean this out, put topsoil in. We cleaned all along this edge. We're gonna do grass along here. Just go plant regular grass. We moved this boulder. There was a hole here. We had to move it, shove it up there, and then add dirt to here, and then shove it back. And then all these boulders over here were around this boulder. We moved them over here along this bed over here. We're gonna rearrange them a little more. He wants like these little ones gone and the big ones pushed in more. And then coal met all the way around here. All the way around, all the way down and around the deck, and then fill all that with bluestone river rock. That's what he wants to do. So we got a little dwarf Norway, I think, hydrangea, a couple more dwarfs, some maple trees. Hey, this is how they came. I know they're already looking a little bit kind of yellowish. Japanese maple, buckeye. We filled this. This was all rock. We filled this with topsoil. So down here, they just poured this sidewalk, and when they dug it out, they piled tons of dirt all along here. So I had to regrade all this down here and regrade over here. So then we're also doing this on over here, and this one back here, we're doing this house too. We sprayed all his weeds. We haven't done really anything down there yet, so I'm not gonna waste your time on that one just yet. Over here, we didn't really touch the lawn yet, but we put in these plants. These are his choice, location, and you know, everything, his choice. So coal mat we did along here. We're doing fabric. We were waiting for him to decide what type of stone he wanted. Little tree here, coal mat all the way down. We're doing a lawn here. The back's kind of crazy. Check this out. So all this was weeds, all back across here, like tall weeds. It was like this. It was like this over here, but we kind of came through and cut them all down, rolled them up, and now he wants grass planted all back here. We sprayed the weeds too. Over here we got a little bed, coal mat, topsoil on the beds. We clean these out. And that's it for this one. But these are the types of lawn jobs we do. New lawns, full landscape installation. We don't really do anything else. This is all we do. So when I say we, I mean I. This is all I do. It's pretty much just me. It is just me. That's how I like it. I just use my machines to get everything done, and they make it pretty easy. Like, for example, I'm gonna rent a auger for all the trees here. I think there's 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 trees they need to go in. For 90 bucks, I can rent an auger. I can drill them in 35 minutes. And all I gotta do is set them in the hole and put some topsoil around them. So that's what I do. Try not to use people.
I don't care if you have kids or not. It doesn't matter. You're paying property.
So, all right.